Hello tubers and welcome to the Piston Alignment Workshop. Thanks for joining us once again. If you're a current subscriber, thanks very much. If you're new to the channel, it's good to see you here. Now behind me sits our Yamaha XJ600, the diversion. A little divvy there that in a previous video about a year ago, now it's been quite a while admittedly, we picked up and we got running because we want to make this project bike into something special from the Piston Alignment Workshop. The engine on it is sound, we know it's good. It has been sat for another year, admittedly, but we know we've got a good base, so we've got something to work with. Now, the plan for this bike originally was to make it into some form of hybrid scrambler. Still like the concept of that, so picked up some suspension parts, got a new set of forks and a swinging arm that wish to swap over and give a go. Haven't really taken any prior measurements. This is going to be the stage now, seeing if these bits that we picked up are going to work and fit and look right, because I've got vision in my head and I want to aim for that. So that's what today's plan is. Going to start stripping her down and fit some new components, and this kind of get the general gist of where the bike's going to end up eventually. Well, tubers, I'm not saying measurements are critical, because everything can be adjusted and with enough force and speed everything can be fitted, but the swinging arm is 10mm too wide, which isn't the end of the world. That's only 5mm per side, so that we can probably shave off a couple of mil here and there and get that to fit. I haven't stripped the back, I've just taken a basic measurement, and I've been playing around with the front. And these are the forks, a set of upside downies out of possibly a KTM, I can't even remember what they're out of now. And they're a bit long going through the headstock there, so spacers, adjustment, it's fine. But the sheer length of them, so when I took the old forks out, there was a wheel in it. And the spindle is now hitting the ramp, that level. And that's as high as my little jack will take it currently. So, yeah. It's interesting. But we're finding out as we go. So, tubers, you could say we had a successful evening, or you could say it was a disaster. Now, if you look behind me, you will see that the original front end is back in that bike. That's because there's a bit of a variation between the headstock lengths, which was expected. I'm not going to say this is going to slide straight in and bolt straight up. Obviously, they use different styles of bearings as well, so that's a factor that we need to consider. And also, the sheer length of them, as you saw, is longer than I could leave on my precarious jack and wood. So I put that back in it for now, so it's stable. I didn't want to leave it precariously balanced. But yeah, I feel like we have achieved something. We've got these new parts, and we've got something to aim for now. We've got a rough idea, this vision that's been in my head of what I wanted this to look like using these parts that we had, and they're never going to go straight in, but as a wise man once said, if it was that easy, then everyone would do it. So yeah, we've got something to play with now, which is good. So thank you very much for watching me tonight. Please like and subscribe, go find our previous videos. My partner in crime will be back with me soon, and so ring the bell to stay notified on all future and videos come in. And yes, have a good day. Thank you very much. We'll see you again.